Compressed air has various applications in different industries, and one of the ancient industries in all of human civilization is crafting of timber into useful items such as furniture, tools, and decoratives, as well as utilization of the same in construction and framing. Yes, it is a woodworking industry.
Hi, my name is Nisha. I'm the City One co-founder of Willow Interiors. Willow Interiors is one of a kind of its manufacturing unit dedicated exclusively for retail clients. We also take pride in being AI-assisted interior manufacturing unit.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Ishwaran. I'm from Woodworking Interiors. We are located in Bangalore. We are into modular kitchen, interior design and furnitures. Our major focus is modular kitchen concept. We are manufacture as per customer demand.
Modern technology has evolved alongside the production of wood products with the use of electric tools such as electric saws, drills, etc.
For the compressor especially, which is the integral part of our manufacturing unit, which is necessary for every machine that's in use, including the Duco section, the painting section.
We are using various machines in our factory for pressing, saw cutting, edge bending, drilling and glue cutting, for which compressed air is required.
Pneumatic tools requires compressed air, and to make it efficient, reliable, and with the right air quality, Atlas Copco have solution. Contact Atlas Copco today to know more on the solutions in compressed air system in your woodworking industry.